So just getting my makeup on in the morning, put my hair up, get it out the way. Start by washing my face with whatever cleanser I have. Just rinse it off, cold water, go dry your face. Then, do you want to do a toner? I just use that vitamin C tonic toner. Put it all over your face. Just kind of let it dry. Then you want to use a serum. I use this vitamin C serum from Walgreens, number 7. Just a couple extra layers. Let that dry. Then I do the super dewy foundation. It's like a lotion tint kind of. And I put that on. Also at Walgreens. Then I do this number 7 Lift Illuminate Concealer. When you get that, you want to get like 2 shades lighter than your normal shade. When you're putting that on, then I take my little sponge, dab it around. You could use a sponge or you could use a brush. Just depends on what you have. And just you want to get that in there. Make sure it's, covering everything. Then after that, use your foundation. I use the Neutrogena Skin Clearing Foundation. It works good for me regularly, but there's other ones you can use too. Just depends on your preference there. Just make sure you don't go too dark or too light. You just want to get that in everywhere on your face. So then I use the Wet n Wild Walking on Eggshells. I've used it since high school. Literally haven't found one that's any better than this. So I use my little brushes. It gives you the directions on how to do it. So just look at the back of it. It'll show you what to do. And then just take your little, your brushes, brush them on there. And then I take my Voluminous L'Oreal mascara. I do it top and bottom. And then when I'm done, I hit my eyebrows with it. And then I take my little eyebrow pencil and I kind of brush it in. I do brush them in. And then you could kind of shape them a little bit with like a Q-tip, clean them up, make sure they're clean looking and even. I always have Q-tips on hand, and I do kind of dab a little bit of extra just to make them fresh. Yeah, just keep brushing them out until you feel you're in a good place. So then I have this Physicians Formula Glow Palette. So you just do a little bit of the brown. You just go maybe about 1.5 inches under where you would put your blush, and then kind of go on either side of your nose and just kind of dab a little on your top. And then you move on to your blush. Do, the blush like you would normally do. And you can use any blush. You don't necessarily have to use this palette. And then on that palette, I had highlighter, but I used it all, so I have a different highlighter now. So this is also Physicians Formula. You just want to make like a C and just do it in that position. It's really not hard. And then you want to take some and you just want to kind of go down the strip of your nose. Just do that. And then I have this, it's like another palette, which is like a bronzer kind of palette. And I just kind of go all over my face with that. Then when I'm done, hit it with some Neutrogena Radiant Setting Spray. You can let that dry. In the meantime, you can do your lip liner. I use Revlon lip liner. I think it's great. It holds up. I like to go more pink, like a pinkish orange red. Also have a L'Oreal, a Revlon lipstick as well. So now I'm done. And that is my 20-minute makeup tutorial.